In this video, we're going to talk about navigating the WordPress dashboard layout. So if you want to know more about it, just keep on watching. Okay? So first of all, when you first log into the WordPress, you will land on the dashboard homepage. So which is this one. So this provides a quick overview of your website. So including this, first we have at a glance. So it displays basic site statistics such as the number of posts, pages, and comments. Okay. For the next one, we have the activity. So it shows the recent posts, comments, and any pending comments right here. Then for the quick draft, right here. So it allows you to quickly draft a new post if you want to. Then lastly is the WordPress news. So here, this is where you can find the latest news from the WordPress community. So now when we go right over here, we have the navigation menu here at the left side of your screen. So we have the posts. So under post, we have these four options. First, we have all posts. So here, this is where you can view, edit, or delete all your posts. So if you want to edit it, click on the edit button. Like if you want to delete it or view it, just go ahead and click whatever you want. Okay. So now here at the add new post, this one or this one, this is what you need to click when you want to create a new blog posts. For the categories, this is where you organize your posts by category. And lastly, under post, we have tags. Okay, so this is where you can manage your post tags. Now we have media. Okay, so under media, we have library, add new media file, and instant images. So the instant images, this is a plugin. So if you are new here on the WordPress, this too is the only option under the media section. Okay, so the first one we have view library. So this is where you can view and manage all uploaded files like images, videos, audio, or documents. For the next one, which is the add new media file, this is where you upload new media files. Okay, so now we have pages. So for pages, we have all pages and add new page. So this like the post or here. So if you want to view all of your pages, just go ahead and click on all view all pages. And if you want to add a new page or create a new page, click on the add new page button. Okay, so now we have comments. So comments is where you manage comments left on your posts and pages. So you can approve, reply, edit, mark as spam, or delete comments. Okay, so like here, if you want to unapprove this comment, click on this one, trash, spam, edit it, go ahead and reply it if you want to. Okay, so now we have the contact. So this contact section, this also a plugin. So if you are new, you shouldn't have this option right over here. Okay, so for the next one, we have the appearance. So under the appearance, we have the themes, patterns, like that, all of this. So first, for the theme, is where you install, activate, and manage all of your themes. Okay, so this is where you can choose whatever theme you want for your website. So for the customize, so for patterns is also a plugin. So let's proceed with customize. So this is where you access the theme customizer to modify your theme's settings. So if you want to edit your site, so just go ahead and click on the customize button and you can customize your site whatever you want. Okay, for the next one, we have widgets. So here is where you can add and manage widgets in your sidebar or footer areas. Okay, so if you want to edit your footer, just go ahead and go here on the widgets section and you can add a lot of options like this one. Okay, so we can add paragraph, image, audio, and all of these options. Okay, so next we have menus. So for menus, this is where you can create and manage navigation menus. So if you want to learn more about this, just go ahead and scroll through my videos because I already have a video on how you can create your own navigation menu. Okay, for the last one, we have the header. Okay, so here in header is where you can edit your header for your site. So just go ahead and edit it however you want. And for the last option under my appearance, we have the custom fonts. So this one is a plugin also, so you should have that option if you are new here. Okay, so next we have the plugin. So under plugin, we have installed and add new plugin. So for the installed plugin is where you can view, activate, deactivate, or delete installed plugins on your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so if you want to deactivate it, just go ahead and click on the deactivate button below the plugin. Okay, so if you want to add a new plugin, just go ahead and simply click on this button right over here or this one and search for the plugin that you want to activate or install on your dashboard. Okay, now we have the users section. So under the user section, we have three options. First, all users, add new user, and the profile section. So for all users, this is where you can view, edit, or delete users. So here, if you want to remove this one, just go ahead and click on the delete button. And if you want to add a new user, just go ahead and simply click on this button right over here. And this is where you need to put their username, email, first name, last name, etc. Okay, so for the profile, this is where you can edit your own user profile. Okay, so we have the personal options, the language, and all of this. We have the contact info as well. Now let's proceed with tools. So under tools, you should see four options. Okay, so we have the available tools. For under the available tools, this is where you can access various tools like the category and tag converter, like this one. And then here we have the import and export. So for the import, this is where you can import content from other platforms. And if you go here on the export section, this is where you export your site's content. Okay, so here just go ahead and select what you want to export and click on this button right over here. Okay, also we have the site health. So this is where you can check the health status of your site. Okay, here this. You can also check the info if you want to. That. So now we have the export personal data and erase personal data. Okay, so now let's proceed with the settings. So under settings, we have tons of options. So first we have the general. So this is where you can configure the site title, tagline, URL, email address, time zone, and many more. Okay, like that, time format, and all of that. So for the writing, this is where you can configure settings related to writing posts. Okay, so here is the mail server. You can change it, the update services, all of these things. And under reading, this is where you can configure settings related to reading posts, including homepage displays. Okay, so you can also change these settings if you want to. Okay, so discussion. So this is where you can manage your comment settings. So if you want to know how to manage your comment section, just go ahead and scroll through my videos because I already have a tutorial about that. Okay, so for the media, you can also configure the settings here for media file sizes and organization. Okay, so here the sizes listed below determine the maximum dimensions in pixels to use when adding an image to the media library. So you can change the width for the thumbnail size, medium size, large size. And don't forget to click on the save changes if you change something on this section so that it will save all of your actions. Okay, so now for the permalinks. Permalinks is where you can set up custom URL structures. Okay, now for the privacy, this is where you manage your site's privacy policy. Okay, and then here for this too, there's also a plugin, so you shouldn't worry about this. Okay, so now let's proceed with the next one. So as you can see, I have the Gutenberg right over here because I'm using the Gutenberg editor. So it really depends on the editor that you are using. But let's not dig deeper on Gutenberg. So here we have this speed optimizer. So this one is also a plug-in. And also this one. Okay, so you can just go ahead and check all of this and explore more, okay? And if you want to hide this section, just go ahead and click on this collapse menu. As you can see, it will be hidden. Okay, so basically that is all about navigating the WordPress dashboard layout. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.